the more conservative Republican end of things in the States, they always made a big deal about protecting kids online. And we don't seem to hear that in this instance from them.
No, I mean, it wasn't even a month ago that the US was kind of in apoplexy over the Epstein files and protecting children and a great ring of pedophiles, which, like Musk himself has said quite a lot about. He accused Donald Trump of being in the Epstein files. It just reads as kind of deference to a really powerful person. There are elections in the US in November. Musk is set to be a very large scale political donor for Republicans. And he and
Mm.
Donald Trump have reconciled now. Why more liberal lawmakers haven't made a big issue of it, that's less clear to me, honestly. It seems like a pretty easy target for them. And they don't have a lot of wins these days, the liberals in the US. So it's surprising that they haven't made it a bigger deal, gone after